Okay.
Hey DIY tubers, welcome back. Today's crafting tip, I'm going to show you how I'm going to hot glue my ass.
Dad, I heard that.
In order to hot glue my ass, I have to first get the little nubs out, and because they broke off. So my ass is broke. So now I first have to figure out how let's see. Now be careful when you hot glue your ass because it's hot. So, no, I don't know how this part goes on though. So, here's where things get tricky. Tricky dicky. I don't know, does it go like that?
What happened to your ass?
The dog chewed it. It's God's honest truth. Chewed it till pieces fell off. Look at this. Got hair hanging off my ass. That's his ears. Just isn't that right? Alright. What do you think? That looks like new, doesn't it? Got extra pieces though. Alright. I guess I just don't know where this piece is supposed to go. Alright, so check back tomorrow and see if I have more pieces of my ass broken. And we'll hot glue that too. Click the link below, give me some thumbs up, and we'll see you later.